Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 3rd of June. Let's look at what is buzzing. So we're selecting commodities today and we'll be talking about natural gas. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 522 articles towards it. Going into the sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling positive and the subjectivity is 36%. Now, let's go to the trend analysis. In trend analysis, the professionals at Trading Central are saying that it may rise by 11.29%. Going into the chart, we can see they're saying short term, the upside prevails as long as 2.9700 is a support. Briefly looking at the chart, again, this is a daily chart. We can see the current price is above the 20 days and 50 days moving average and also on top of Bollinger Band. Looking at here, we can see that it's a pretty accurate, pretty obvious uptrend that the price have broke below the pivot point of 2.9700, however, have bounced back. Okay, so in the comment section, they're saying the RSI is above its neutral area at 50, and the MACD is above its signal line and positive. The configuration is positive, and below is the series of supports and resistance. Hope you like today's video. If you do, don't forget to press the like button, and also don't forget to follow our social media, YouTube and Facebook. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.